Hello students, myself Akhtar Islam. Welcome back to the fifth lecture of the second chapter, The Sound of Music. The Sound of Music. Today I am going to conclude the chapter, and yesterday I explained uh, the sixth paragraph. Today I am going to start with second paragraph, seventh paragraph. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. So here Evelyn explains that how does she identify music? Okay, it tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair, and it creates sensation in her skin, in her cheekbones, and even in her hair. Okay, so every part of Evelyn's body responds to music. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing off the stick into her fingertips. It means when she plays the xylophone, she uses sticks, and she can sense the vibrations of the sound, produced by the xylophone. Okay, xylophone, and through the sticks up into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances falling into her body. After that, when she play the drum, she can feel the sounds of the mm, instruments that is flowing through her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Actually, when in a stage that is made of wooden platform, she removes her footwears and feel the vibrations that is passing through her feet up to her legs. Okay. In the eighth paragraph, not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. Evelyn delights her audiences, makes pleasure. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. Okay, and she got this prestigious award in 1999. Says master percussionist uh, James Blades is also a master percussionist, and he makes a comment for Evelyn Glennie, that is, God may have taken her hearing. God's perhaps God taken may have taken her hearing power, but He has given her back something extraordinary, something unexpected. She got from God something unexpected that ordinary man did not get. What we hear, जो चीज़ हम लोग सुनते हैं, सी फील्स वो चीज़ वो फील करते हैं फार मोर डीपली than any of us. And she can you know hear it, and she can feel it deeply. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. इसीलिए वो म्यूजिक को इतना अच्छा से, इतना ब्यूटीफुली वो एक्सप्रेस कर पाती है. ओके. इन द नाइन्थ पैराग्राफ, Evelyn admits that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic actually, you know is a word that is a person who is never stopping his work, yeah, his or her activity. Okay, just always try to keep it up, try to continue her or his activity, his work or her work. So I have just got to work often harder than classical musicians. Actually, वो कहना चाहती है, जो एक क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियन जितना हार्ड वर्किंग नहीं करते हैं उससे ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग हम करते हैं, इसीलिए बट द रिवॉर्ड्स आर इनॉर्मस, इसीलिए फॉर द सेक ऑफ माई हार्ड वर्किंग आई गॉट number of prestigious awards and I got world fame. Apart from the regular concerts, okay, Evelyn also gives free concert in prisons and hospitals. मैंने रेगुलर कॉन्सर्ट्स जो करती थी उसको छोड़ के जो है वो एवलिन समटाइम्स कभी कभी जो है प्रिजन्स में एंड हॉस्पिटल्स में अपना परफॉर्मेंस दिखाती थी. शी ऑल्सो गिव्स हाई प्रायोरिटी टू क्लासेस फॉर यंग म्यूजिशियंस. उसके बाद जो है जो यंग म्यूजिशियन है उसके लिए मैंने एक आप कह सकते हो एक ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन है, उसके लिए एक ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन है. यू नो एन रिचलिन ऑफ द बेथोवन फंड फॉर डेफ चिल्ड्रन सेज, क्या बोली एन रिचलिन, शी इज़ ए शाइनिंग इंस्पिरेशन फॉर डेफ चिल्ड्रन. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. Actually, Anne Richlin says that Evelyn is an inspiration for those children who cannot hear, and when they get know Evelyn's story, they feel that they can complete everything, they can execute everything, they can fulfill all their dreams for their future. Okay, in the last paragraph of the story, Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. The people who were twice her age, even they could not accomplish, they could not get that sorts of reputation, that sorts of world fame as Evelyn Glennie got. She had brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. Orchestra is a group of people who are playing different musical instruments, and generally the percussion instruments like the drums and the xylophone are placed at the back of the orchestra, or they are placed at the side. But as Evelyn performs solo, she gives special performance with these percussion instruments. The percussion instruments have come in front of the orchestra. After that, she has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. The meaning of the word handicapped here, the person, the boys and girls who could not hear, were handicapped, retarded. Okay, they are getting inspiration from Evelyn Glennie's life. People who look to her and say, people sometimes looks her and say, if she can do it, अगर एवलिन ग्लेनी ये कर सकती है, इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस कर सकती है, सो आई कैन, मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. ओके, एंड नॉट द लीस्ट, शी हैज़ गिवन enormous pleasure to millions. And there is no doubt that she has given a lot of entertainment, a lot of delights, a lot of pleasures to the people of the world. There is no doubt. And through these paragraphs, there are a lot of complicated terms, a lot of complicated words, as for pour, flow rapidly in a steady stream. Tingles means cause a slight pricking or stinging sensation. Leaning means stopping. Resonances, sounds. Delights means pleasures, entertainment, you may say. Confess, admit, accept. Workaholic, a person who finds it difficult to stop working. After the enormous use, concert, music competition, priority, performance, preference, inspiration, courage, okay, accomplished, completed, and percussion, musical instrument played by striking with the hand or with a stick. Okay, Demonstrated means show. And there are a lot of questions I have written on the paper. The first question is that how did Evelyn feel the sound of musical instruments? After that, which prize he got in 1991? What did James Blake say about Evelyn? Number three, do you think that her performance is much harder than the classical musicians? And the last question is that what is the moral lesson of the story? This is the very important question. This is the very important question for all of you. Okay, and I have already just now I have completed my chapter. If you get any problems, if you get any anything very anything complicated, just make a comment in the comment box. Okay, and tomorrow I will start a poem, Wind. Thank you.